In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Opera browser app on your smartphone. If you're facing any challenge such as the app is not working, it keeps on hanging, or it takes too long, or maybe the app just crashes, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we need to access Opera app info page. And you can do this either through settings or just long press on your app. And down here, you have app info. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. At this point, we need first to clear the app data, and it is here. So if you tap on clear data, we have two options: to manage space or clear cache. Choose the last option, clear cache, and OK. At this point, restart your smartphone and open your app and everything should be okay. However, if your app is malfunctioning because you don't have much space, then come back to app info and go to manage space to delete some of the apps, or go directly to your gallery to delete photos, images, or even some of the apps that you no longer need to free up space on your smartphone. From here, if the problem is not solved, then the problem might be with the app from Play Store. For that, we need to check and see if we have any update from Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Play Store, search for the app, and in case you have an update, update your app to get the latest version that is supported. However, should this not work, especially if it keeps on crashing, then it means your app might contain bugs. For that, you need to uninstall the app from here and then install it afresh. So by doing this, now you'll get the latest version of Opera browser that is free from bugs and without any issue. So that's how you can fix any issues with your Opera browser app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.